Hi, I'm Mark Showalter with Infinera, and I'm here at ONS with Amrit Hanspal to talk about what's next for SDN. As you know, SDN's been around for several years. It's done a really good job of virtualizing services at the higher levels of the OSI model and then packing those onto existing optical capacity. We see the next thing for SDN to be software-defined capacity. What software-defined capacity does is enables a network operator to use open software solutions to turn up the amount of capacity that exists in their network only through software and then pay for that capacity after they've activated it. This provides a number of benefits for network operators. The first is it lowers their overall capital expenditures. Often these network operators will deploy as much as 50% over-provisioned capacity on the network, and this enables them to reduce that amount of over-provisioned capacity and just pay for what they need as they use it. This also simplifies network operations through automation, accelerating service delivery, and reducing operational expenditures. So software-defined capacity is what we see as next for SDN.
Right. And in fact, just to add to what Mark was saying, Infinera has been talking about this concept of layer C and layer T. And when we talk about software-defined capacity, we're talking about layer T, which actually spans layer 0 through layer 3. So it's not just the higher layers, but what our customers are telling us, you want layer 0 through layer 3. And the software-defined capacity at the lower layers is what can drive the upper layer applications. And the way how the customers are evolving their deployments, they're starting off with provisioning, because that's where a lot of the operational costs are. And then they're thinking about the next logical evolution. Let's talk about planning. How do we actually go ahead and plan the entire network, dynamically add some of this software-defined capacity that Mark was talking about, and then moving towards with machine learning capabilities, towards cognitive networking further down the road. And this concept of layer C and layer T, in my mind, is very, very powerful concept, which really, truly symbolizes what SDN can provide to our customers.